So there are these birds out behind our house, somewhere in a tree, somewhere out behind our house, that literally don't make any noises during the day. They only do it at night. Now, I realize it's 10:16 on the West Coast. That means it's really late on the East Coast. But I'm hoping somebody will know what the hell these birds are. What's up, Andrew? How you doing, brother? These birds, it's crazy. I'm going to go out here and let you listen to this. Hold on. What up, Shane? Listen to this. They may stop for a minute when I walk outside. Listen to this. They're up there in that tree. And I know you can't see the tree. Anyway, it's the craziest thing I've ever, like, they don't do it during the day. Why they don't do it? I know, so many different sounds. It's crazy. They don't do it during the day. That's what's insane. It's nuts. Like, I just walked in and now they're out there going ape shit. Like, I don't get it. Why are they making, like, they start at night and, like, you can hear it inside the house. I hear it right now. It's crazy. It's starting to really annoy me because, like, you try to go to sleep and it's like all you hear are these damn birds out back. And you're like, oh my God, I want to go bird hunting all of a sudden. No, there's no damn windows open. And this is a very finely built home. I mean, look around. But it's like there's no windows open and like I hear them right now. It's insane. It's unbelievable. They are 10x in their damn little voices. Can't you feed them dry rice or something and they explode? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I wouldn't do that. No animal rights activists. Don't be all up in my business. That was a joke. Anyway, like, it's crazy. I don't know what in the hell. I really don't know. I mean, it's insane. They've kept me up for 3 nights now. Damn birds. Like, they're just like going crazy. Earmuffs, right. It's craziness. Who's ready for the 10X Growth Con? Who's ready for that? All that business. Let's go shooting. I thought about taking my shotgun out there and just firing it up in the sky to see if they'd fly away or something. But that would, then I'd probably go to jail for something like that. So, oh, some airsoft, yeah. It's keeping you up right now. Yeah, Steven. I can't even believe it. I heard, yeah, I literally just hung up the phone with Danelle Delgado, and I just hung up the phone together. She is so tired, bless her heart. Yeah. Yeah, Danelle is amazing. You're already in Florida. I don't leave until Thursday morning, very early. So I get in, my flight gets into Miami at like 4 something Thursday afternoon. Good for you. Hey, I'm vaping, don't judge. Yeah, I know. I hear nothing but great things that everybody is. Are we on the same flight? I'm coming from Casey. I'm coming from Las Vegas, so it's a direct flight from Vegas to Miami. 6 hours or some 5.5, something like that. Yeah, I'm pumped for 10x too. Casey, how's your brother doing? Been praying for him and your whole family. Vess Russ, how you doing, bro? The Lightspeed Jet. What's up, Steven? How you doing, bro? Yeah. Yeah, I leave Thursday morning super early, so I'll be in the office tomorrow. Unless I don't get any sleep because of these damn birds out back. Holy crap. I'm telling you, these birds. Listen, I'll just stick my phone out here for a minute. Listen to this shit. Oh, it'd help if I unlock the door first. Oh, Casey, I am so sorry to hear that. Casey, I'm so sorry for you and your family. I am so sorry. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm sorry to hear that. Everybody say a prayer for Casey and her family and her brother. I'm sorry. That really stinks. I'm sorry. Wow, I don't even know what to say. Wow. I'm sorry to hear that. Wow. Well, you know what? He no longer has to be here on this planet and deal with what we have to deal with. That's why it's important, as you well know, everybody knows, it's important to love the people you're closest with. Love everybody. There's too much hatred and nastiness in this world. I love to encourage people. I love to lift people up. Love to see people reach to the next level in life. Like my buddy Stephen Fout right there. Got to lift people up. So I hope everybody on here can say a prayer for Casey and her family and her brother. I don't watch TV. I haven't watched TV in years. Can't stand all that nonsense. Nothing good on TV. Jeff Breeza is in the house. How you doing, Jeff? Everybody make sure they say a prayer for Casey and her family. Yeah, I'm sure your brother would want you to. I'm sure that your brother would definitely want you to be at that conference. No doubt about it. And there's going to be a lot of good that comes out of that conference for you and for your family. You and your family. So see, I started off to complain about birds. Singing birds out back. Nothing wrong with singing birds. That puts it all into perspective, doesn't it? So anyway, well, I don't even know what to say. I feel really, really bad for you. I feel bad for you and your whole family. Very sorry to hear that. Very sorry. So hug your loved ones. Keep them close. Hug them tight. Everybody on here, make sure you say a prayer for Casey. Say many prayers for Casey. You didn't mess up my video at all. In fact, you made this video way, way better. I was getting on here to find out what the hell these birds are all about. And it's almost like it's like maybe one or two birds, but they're making all, like somebody told me it's a mockingbird. I'm like, what the hell's a mockingbird? I don't even know what a mockingbird is. But they're like, it's insane. It's insane. 10x birds. 10x, yeah. When you're trying to fall asleep at night and it sounds like they're literally in the bedroom, it's like, oh my God. Starlings can make noises too. Oh, hey, there's Katie Shane. I was just talking to her. I'm not going to do that. Speaking of, I had to download Google Chrome Canary version. Katie, how you doing? So yeah, I want to jump on and Casey, I'm really, really sorry to hear that your brother is going to pass. I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry for you and your family. For him, he will no longer feel pain. He doesn't have to feel that anymore. Anyway, so thank you guys for being on here. I really appreciate it. Make sure everybody on here, you lift Casey up and her family up in prayer. And yeah, send her lots of love and positive energy, lots of love and positive thoughts to her and her family. So, all right, well, listen, I just wanted to hop on for a minute and complain about the birds, but now, Casey, you put it all in perspective for me. Well, I think at the conference you'll definitely be able to stay focused. Sorry about the lighting in here. I got terrible backlighting there, it looks like. I don't know what's going on. But, yeah, we're all here for you. We're all praying for you. Anybody watching the replay, make sure you send Casey. I don't know if I know how to say your last name. Is it Labatt? Labatt or Labatt? Labatt? I see. I'm butchering your name. Sorry. But anyway, send her and her family lots of prayers. Lots of prayers. Like robot. Robot. Like, so it's Lobot or it's Labatt. Anyway, okay. Got it. Got it. I got Labatt. Labatt. Got it. Is that French? What is that? Labatt. There, Stephen Walker did it. Thanks, Stephen. Who else vapes? If you don't vape, I suggest you try it. It's really cool. Labatt. So it's cool is what it is. Right, right. Down here in Louisiana. That's where Stephen Walker or Stephen Fout is. He's down in Louisiana too. Down there in New Orleans. Matter of fact, I've had him. He sent me 2 different king cakes and had Good Lord, it's too late. Jack, come on, Jack. Jack Branch, thank you. Jack Branch sent me a king cake too. I got to be honest about king cakes. Down in the bayou. So, but you've had a king cake for sure. And king cakes will change your life. They really will. They are amazing. Yeah, Steven is up north of New Orleans. I don't know where exactly. But anyway, they'll change your life because there's like 6,000 calories in each bite. And like you will literally put on a ridiculous amount of weight. Did I assume that cake's gender? What's up, Frank Sell? Happy birthday, brother. Is it still your birthday where you are? Probably not. Your birthday's over, dude. It's after midnight. Anyway, happy birthday. I hope you had a good birthday, bro. So, hey, if you're watching the replay of this, send Casey Labat. Send Casey Labat and her family lots of prayers. And even the things like the annoying birds. If you just joined here, they're still going. They're going to go all flipping night. It's like, good Lord. Hold on. Let me just flip this around and let you hear it. That one sounds like a car alarm. I thought somebody was stealing my car last night. Woke up in the middle of I was thinking, man, somebody just stole my car. It's the alarm going off. Nope, it's just those damn birds out back. They got something on their mind. It literally, my bedroom window's in the back upstairs. My daughter's bedroom window's in the back on the other side of the house upstairs. Like, they're right there. Like, you hear them all night. It's ridiculous. Anyway, so I am, hey, you know what? I'm grateful for the birds. I'd be even more grateful if they didn't do that all night, but I'm grateful for them. Sorry. Anyway, so, all right, listen, I appreciate you guys, all of you. Casey, many, many prayers and lots of happy, positive energy to you and your family. Sending you lots of love, lots of positive thoughts. There's Philip. Philip, how you doing, brother? Man, Philip, what are you doing up, man? Isn't it like 1:30 in the morning or something there? Anyway, good to see you all. If you're just catching this here at the end, send Casey Labat and her family lots of prayers. She said they took her brother off of life support tonight, and that he's going to pass. So send her lots of prayers, lots of positive energy. She'll be at the 10X Growth Con, so send her lots of love, lots of prayers. She's an awesome person. So good for you, Mr. Simonetta, if I said your name right. I've been butchering last names tonight, so. But anyway, just everybody say a prayer for Casey and her family. Send her some good positive energy. So, hey, I'm going to bounce. I'm going to let you all go. And if you're watching the replay, thank you. I appreciate it. This was literally, I didn't expect to have so many people show up. Good Lord. Nobody sleeps on the East Coast, huh? Can't wait to meet you two. And again, lots of prayers to you and positive thoughts. So I will see you guys all later. Andrea Price, it is way too late. You need to go to bed. Go to bed. All right. Tom Kane, hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? Have a great night yourself. Thank you guys. Appreciate you being on here. Have a great night, and I will talk to you later. We take naps. That's right. Peace. We'll see you guys.